In a busy life, we need a relaxing trip. Beast SG906 drone, born for travel. It is a powerful travel drone. Automatic sensor adjustment camera, 4K HD 120 degrees ESC camera. Optical flow constant. Intelligent control. Dual mode precise positioning. As long as you do not fly out of the Earth. Our satellites can locate your drone in real time. Make your flight more secure. Who can fly without wings? Beast SG906 3D VR experience function. Put it on. You can fly to where you want to go. If you are tired, turn on image follow function. Let a drone follow you and liberate your hands. Beast SG906 modular portable lithium battery for uninterrupted battery life. Don't worry about the life of the drone during the trip. Turn on the follow function of GPS to make drones of your followers. 336 degrees surrounds, a few simple steps, easy to take a picture of the net red. We have customized the fixed flight function for the traveler. As long as you set the flight path, the drone will fly according to your instructions. Gesture photography and gesture recording function let you capture every moment in real time. Record good memories. Our app can help you reshape the film. And the production function can add filters, music, lens effects to the film. Share a circle with one click. You will find a more beautiful world. Beast SG906 drone created for smart travel.
Let's start the GPS aerial photography journey to enjoy the wonderful and cool fuselage structure. Demonstration of drone and remote control. Product list. Drone frequency matching. Place the drone on the horizontal ground and turn on the power, and the lights flash slowly. Turn on the power of the remote control and the power red light flashes. Push the throttle joystick of the remote control up to the end, then pull it down. When the red light is always on, frequency matching is successful. Front and back light of drone flashes alternately. Geomagnetic calibration. Pull the left and right joysticks at the lower right corner. The drone makes a sound of D. Then the front green light is on. Just the back blue light is off. Then the calibration is started. Catch the drone horizontally and turn it counterclockwise for 3 turns with the sound of D from drone. The green light in front goes off and the blue light goes on to complete the horizontal calibration. After that, turn the drone vertical nose down. Then turn it counterclockwise for 3 turns with 2 sounds of D and D. The front green light is on and the back blue light flashes rapidly. Then the calibration is completed. Put the drone on the horizontal surface and the blue light flash slowly to search for the GPS satellite signal. When the blue light is always on and drone makes 2 sounds of D and D, then the star search is successful. Gyroscope calibration. Hold down the remote control's 2 joysticks inward diagonally together and hold for 2 seconds. The drone lights flash rapidly, then the calibration is successful. Drone unlocking. Pull down the two joysticks outwardly diagonally together, and the four propellers of the drone rotate at the same constant speed. That means successful unlocking. One key takeoff, landing operation. Click the takeoff button to rise automatically, and click the landing button to land automatically. One key return operation. Click the return button of drone to return to the starting point and land.
Here's how we pilot the Parrot Mambo. First, place the Parrot Mambo on a flat surface with the propellers facing upwards.
Then, open the Free Flight Mini application and select the accessory type, with or without hull.
To take off, press the takeoff button. The Parrot Mambo will take off and stabilize at 1 meter above the ground, pending further commands. To land, press the landing button.